Here's a car you don't see often. It's a 76 Plymouth Scamp. It was considered the low dollar performance car of the era. Like the Dodge Swinner, they had the Plymouth. They got the Plymouth Scamp. So it was Plymouth's answer to the Swinger. There was fierce competition between the divisions of Dodge and Plymouth too back then. The Plymouth Cuda and the Dodge Challenger were competing with each other quite a bit. They really were, man. But actually, the muscle car era supposedly really ended in '72, but those cars from even the '68, '72, from '78 to '82, those cars are 10 years old and very affordable to buy. You know what I mean? So the muscle car era on the street was actually going well into the 80s. Well into the 80s. That's when I got my El Camino. It's not really a muscle car, but it's got a 4-speed. Got that in 91, August of 91. Getting difficult to find stuff back then, but you can actually look in the papers back in 91, find a lot of stuff from the late 60s, early 70s. So it was maybe 15 years old, right? Maybe a little more than that, but 20 years old, whatever. Still, not like freaking today. You're going back 50 years to 68, right? So it's like grab it when you can, man.